Have you ever been out on a trail and wondered if you were truly headed in the right direction? That feeling of uncertainty can take away from the joy of discovery. But imagine the confidence that comes with knowing exactly where you are and where you are going. With just a map and a compass, you can unlock that incredible sense of self-reliance. So how do you align map north with compass north? The most direct answer is that you physically rotate your paper map until its north lines are pointing in the same direction as your compass needle, after accounting for a crucial factor called magnetic declination. This simple step ensures your map accurately reflects the real world around you. The key reason we need to do this is because there are actually two norths we work with in navigation: true north and magnetic north. True north is fixed at the geographic North Pole, and this is what most paper maps are oriented to. However, your compass needle points to magnetic north, which is a constantly shifting point on Earth's surface that is slightly different from true north. The difference between these two norths is called magnetic declination, and it varies depending on your location. Without adjusting for this difference, your map and compass will be slightly misaligned. Let's walk through the steps to get perfectly aligned. First, you need to find the magnetic declination for your specific hiking area. This information is usually printed on your topographic map, often in the legend, indicating how many degrees east or west magnetic north is from true north. For example, it might say 10 degrees west declination. Once you have that number, if your compass has an adjustable declination setting, this is the perfect time to use it. You can rotate the compass bezel to set that 10 degrees west. This clever feature essentially calibrates your compass so its north arrow will automatically compensate for magnetic north. If your compass does not have this feature, no problem. You will simply remember to manually account for that 10-degree offset later. Next, lay your map flat on a stable surface or hold it as level as possible. Place your compass directly on top of the map. Now, here is the crucial part. Align the edge of your compass with one of the north-south grid lines on your map. These are the straight vertical lines on a standard topographic map that point directly to true north. Make sure the compass's direction of travel arrow, if it has one, is pointing towards the top of the map, which is true north. Finally, while keeping the compass stationary on the map and aligned with that grid line, carefully rotate the entire map and compass together until your red magnetic needle settles and points to the north arrow on your compass bezel. If you set your declination earlier, the red magnetic needle will align directly with the north marking on the bezel, and your map is now perfectly oriented. If your compass does not have an adjustable declination, you will need to rotate the map and compass until your red magnetic needle is pointing 10 degrees away from the north mark on your bezel in the correct direction. In our example, 10 degrees west of north. Once aligned, your map is now mirroring your surroundings, allowing you to easily identify landmarks. This process is a fundamental skill for reliable backcountry navigation, far more dependable than relying solely on a global positioning system device, which can lose signal or run out of battery. When you correctly align your map and compass, you are creating a direct physical link between the symbols on your map and the actual terrain in front of you. This means you can spot a distant peak on your map, verify it with your compass direction, and then look up to see that exact peak in the real world. This deep understanding of your surroundings is often referred to as terrain association, and it is a hallmark of an experienced and confident hiker. It truly transforms the way you interact with the landscape. Mastering the alignment of map north with compass north gives you a profound sense of awareness and control. It removes the guesswork from navigation, replacing it with clear, verifiable directions. This skill empowers you to explore new areas with confidence, enhances your safety by always knowing your position, and ultimately deepens your connection to the outdoor environment. It is not just about getting from point A to point B. It is about confidently enjoying every step of the journey, knowing you are truly in tune with your surroundings.